Hello, welcome back. I would like to share my very special cheesecake recipe, which is summer fruits baked cheesecake. This is a very easy and simple cheesecake to make. First of all, preheat the oven 160 degrees gas. Lightly grease a 8-inch push pan. You need digestive biscuit. If you want chocolate digestive biscuit, you can use that. You need Philadelphia cream cheese. Try to use full fat cream cheese, but you can see I'm using light cream cheese. You need melted butter. You need full fat cream. Measurement you can see on my description below. Put the biscuit into a plastic bag and crush with a rolling pin. Here I'm using a frozen bag. Once you have made them into biscuit crumbs like this, transfer into a bowl and mix it with melted butter. Once the butter and crumbs are fully mixed, transfer them into the push pan and then press firmly and leave it to set. Make cheesecake filling. Put the cheese and sugar into a large bowl, and for better result you can use 2 boxes of cream cheese, which is 360 grams of full fat Philadelphia cheese. Now mix the cheese and sugar until it's smooth and soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it again. Now add 1 large room temperature egg and mix it with all ingredients. Now add your last ingredient, which is double cream. I just whipped the cream. Now mix all ingredients together until it's well combined. Once it's mixed well, transfer it into the top of the biscuit base and smooth out using a spoon before placing into the oven. Then bake it in the preheated oven for around 60 minutes or until the cheesecake becomes fluffy around the edge. This is the way it should look when you take it out of the oven. Now allow the cake to cool down before putting in the fridge overnight. The next day, I take the cake out of the fridge and use a glass jar to slide the cake out of the push pan. This is an example of a well-set cooked cheesecake. At the end, I spread some sour cream on the top. Now you can decorate your cake with your favorite berries. I hope you all enjoyed my recipe. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.